We'll start with the session. Though anybody want to join in between, they'll join, right? So we'll start with it. So first of all, I would like to thank each one of you. You have taken a time from your schedule and have joined us for this welcome call. Though this call is very much important, I hope you all understand the importance of this call because before starting the session, we you all have to go through all the I can say all the portal, all the dashboards which you have, that how you should go with the how you should use this portal, how to take a session and everything. Though some of you have already started taking a session, so you are aware about it. But yeah, few of you, those who are very new to this portal, will help you to get a good introduction with this portal, right? And we'll start with that. So whatever query you guys have in between, please note it down, right? We'll take all your queries and all your questions at end of the session. Okay. So I'll start with this. I'll share my screen first. Yeah. So as you all know that you already have seen this portal, you have gone through this portal at the time of registration. So it's a very user-friendly portal, I can say, right? It's very user-friendly and it's a very unique portal which we have came up with to sort out all the problems or all the queries which our user or our student community have, right? So this is our home page. This is how it look like. So it always say that get personalized guidance online, right? So we have built this marketplace for experts and learner for live one-on-one sessions on academic as well as career guidance. So here, what we are trying to do is we are trying to connect an expert with the learner, right? That learner can be anyone. When I say that learner can be anyone, so we are focusing on students from 8th grade onwards till working professional, right? So that learner can be from from school, or that can be from college, or that can be even a working professional, right? As most of you have started getting some sessions also, so you guys are aware about that, what TG we are targeting on and everything, right? So yeah, here you can see we have 100 plus experts, which are one of the best experts we have. We provide 20-minute sessions, and that too from starting of price as low as rupees 125. Right, this one USP we have. So when we talk about our USPs, so Grab Guidance, as we always say, it's a marketplace of experts and learners, right? So we are focusing on three major USPs. First one is experience and qualified experts, right? So as you all know, you guys have so much experience and you have expertise in your own field. So we are working on it to onboard one of the best experts, qualified experts who have their own expertise in the particular areas and can solve each and every doubts of a user, right? That's why we say that we have one of the best experts group in our panel. Right. Apart from it, our second major USP is comprehensive solution for online learning, which says that we provide an end-to-end solution to all our we provide end-to-end solution on this portal. So any user coming to this platform uh, I can say from starting from searching an expert with the query they come, they search for an expert, they book a session with them, and after that they take a session online on one-to-one our own inbuilt platform, right? So everything happens on this particular portal. User have to sign in, search for an expert, book a session with them, and take an online session, right? So you don't have to switch to some other portal, other platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, anything. Everything is there on this portal only, right? And the third one is quick guidance to small session. As you all are aware that we also provide 20-minute session, right? So even any user coming and having one or two doubts, they can easily book a 20-minute session with any of the expert of their own choice and can take a guidance to that 20-minute session, right? That's some major USP we have. Apart from it, here in this box, you can see which areas and which subjects we are particularly focusing on. So when we talk about our TG, so we are starting from 8th grade onwards. Then we have all the management courses. Even we are focusing on a working professional as well, and in academic guidance. These are the subjects in which we are specifically providing guidance for. So any student have any query in these subjects related to these subjects, they can easily come and get those queries resolved, right? Apart from it, we also have a section of career guidance where you can see we have a lot of things which are focusing on stream selection, course selection, college selection, everything related to career guidance like personality development, communication skills, entrepreneurship, everything is there, right? So multiple areas we are focusing on, and any learner can come into this platform will have all the queries answered on here, right? So how this platform work? As I've told you right now, that user coming up with the query can search for an expert based on the class and interest areas, right? Apart from it, they can book a session with the expert of their own choice, or what time they require, what price they can go with, right? Everything is flexible. Then they can enjoy a live meeting and can clear their concepts or doubts on our own inbuilt virtual platform, right? So everything is there on this portal. And here you can see there are some reviews from our student as well. They have given some good reviews, so anytime you can go and check these review out. Apart from it, these are the experts which we have on our panel, right? We have all the experts mentioned here. Anyone can go and check out if they want to see the profile of an expert from here, right? Then how to become an expert partner, these things you are already aware because we have been in discussion with you from starting. Ankit, I have already given a brief about all these things, that you can market a service, you can earn a good amount of income from this portal, and you can have flexibility to study your own schedule, then you can take an online classes anytime from anywhere you want, right? So everything is there on this portal, right? That's why we say that it's a unique portal and it's a one-stop solution. That every query and any kind of expert they can find and learner can find on this portal, right? So now on a header, you can see we are focusing on multiple things also, right? So I'll start with the first one. So recently on this month, we have introduced with the live courses and live packages. So live courses we are majorly focusing on these 5 courses as of now, but we are in pipeline to onboard some other courses as well. So we have IELTS preparation of IELTS with a then read job blueprint, which help us telling the user that how to crack the interview, how to do good proper salary negotiation, everything, right? Then advanced trading strategy using future options. So proper course on a trading also we have. Then fundamental of digital marketing. Then basics of retail marketing. So these are the major 5 courses which we are focusing as of now, right? These are the total online courses which we have introduced this month. And when we come to live packages, second thing is live packages. So this also we have started from this month onward, from 1st July onwards. So most of you might have received a proper communication through mail or through WhatsApp also from our team about these courses, these packages, that what all things are there, right? We have 3 packages: starter, basic, and premium, where we are going with a proper career guidance program. Here in starter, we are covering almost 4 sessions. And in basic program, we are providing around 5 sessions. In premium, we are going with 6 sessions. And there are some key points which we are focusing on, right? So you can always go to our portal and check these packages. Apart from it, same we packages have for I can say academic guidance also. Here we are going with, if any user want to go with multiple session, right? They want to go for proper I can say session for coming 1 month, 2 month for any particular subject, so they can book these packages also, right? So this is something which we have came up with, which is very new and very unique thing. And third one is for schools and colleges. As you all know that we are also focusing on B2B, right? We have some of our clients onboarded. Dias is the one who recently onboarded with us, right? And yeah, there are a lot of things which we are doing for B2B clients. We have subscription for them. So we have quarterly, half-yearly, annually subscription for our schools and colleges. They can surely go with that. Plus, what we are doing, we are providing these modules also, workshops or module, you can say, enhancing your personality, be an entrepreneur, financial modeling using Excel, cracking the interviews, digital marketing, customized workshop for schools. So all these things we are covering on. Any institute, any college or school wanna raise the query, they can fill this form, and our team will directly get in touch with them, right? So this is something which we are doing for our institutes, B2B clients, right? Then the fourth one, we have also started tying up with corporates as well. So for corporates, we are doing a lot of training sessions and all. We can do that. For them, we also have a good industry experts with us. So these are some of the industry experts which can help us out and which are one of the best resource we have, right? So same way, any corporate, any company want to go with some particular training or some counseling sessions for their employees, they can fill this form and our team will reach out to them, right? So any one of you who are in touch with corporates, if you guys really wanna have some links or you really wanna conduct some trainings in your companies and all, you can get in touch with us, right? That is there. Now these are the 4 basic things which we are going with, right? Apart from it now, which is the most important and major thing for you guys as an expert is to how to sign in as an expert and how to take a session, right? So for you always have to click on expert sign in. Once you click on expert sign in, you have to feed your number. Here you feed your number and you click on login. So every time you'll get an OTP whenever you go for the login. This is one of the safest and secure way to log in. We are not going with the password kind of stuff because that is something most of the time it happens. You guys also forget the password, though you're using a lot of platforms. So yeah, here you can go with OTP. You enter your OTP and your profile is logged in. So if your profile is completed properly, you have filled your details and your profile is properly completed, so you will be taken to this dashboard page, right? And if your profile is not completed, then you will be taken to a page where you have left your profile incomplete. Okay. So this is my dashboard. So this is a testing profile of mine. So this is my dashboard. Here, all the things will be visible for me, right? So yeah, my name, my qualification, my overall experience. I have 5 years of experience, right? My expert areas, which are the subjects and all the expert areas which I can focus on, right? On which I can provide proper guidance. That is there. Then my time availability. So this is properly mentioned here that in first half I'm available from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. In second half I'm available from 12 p.m. to 11 p.m. Right, there's a time availability which you have already mentioned. And on right side you can see your summary tab. In your summary tab, there's a proper description of your profile, that how much session you have taken, how much earning you have. So here you can see there's a total earning till now. So my overall earning is rupees 397, right? So this is a testing profile. So these figures are very much, I can say, on trial basis. So there's a total earning which I have earned for this month, right? And overall earning this, and for this month's earning will be shown here. Then overall rating, whenever you take a session, every user will give a proper review and proper star rating to you. That ratings will be mentioned here, and how much review you have got, that will be mentioned here, right? Then how much session you took in July month, and the total number of session which you have taken till now. So everything will be mentioned here. Proper detailed description will be here. You can always download this report by clicking on this icon. Once you click on this, proper detailed report will be downloaded, right? There's something for you guys which you can always download and can go through it. Then here it shows the documents which you have attached, your address, your PAN details, right? So this profile will only be visible to you. This won't be visible to any user because these are some personal details which will be only visible to you, right? And whenever you feel like that you want to edit your profile, you want to do some changes. So you have 2 to 3 ways to do that. First, you can directly go through these pages. If you want to change your timing and availability, you can click on availability, right? You can change your timings here. You can update it anytime, save and exit, right? And if you want to go with proper updation of your profile, you can click on edit your listing. This is one way to go with. So you can jump to any page, right? If you have done some experience you have some good experience right now, there's some add-on to your experience, you can always do that. Keep adding your experience, keep updating your education qualification. If you have done some certification, click on add education, upload that certification here. You have new experience, click on add experience, update that, update your total experience. So keep updating these things. Apart from its service offering, so suppose I'm taking class till 12, right? I'm taking class till 12 standard, and right now I feel that after going for guidance for around 2 to 3 months, I feel that I can now teach to BBA students also. So I can always add this in my profile also, right? This you can always update, service offering anytime. Then fees and availability, you can always keep on changing and keep on updating your times and all. So generally, we ask for you to update on a weekly basis. But if in case you are occupied for next day or you have some commitments, so we suggest you that keep updating on daily basis also. Whenever there is a change, update that on daily basis, because you generally you forget to update and you get a booking, then it will be a very difficult task for us, as well as there is a very negative impact on a user as well, right? That we have that user have booked and now we are rescheduling it because we are not available. So we strongly suggest you that you should keep on updating your timings, right? Then this listing detail is something where you can always describe about yourself and can update your documents, right? So here you can edit your profile. So this is something which is particularly for you guys. But when it comes to user, so how your profile will look like to user is, you can click on this view public profile, right? This is how user will see your profile. Yeah. So for a user, it will look like this total experience or the education qualification, expertise area, time availability, and these are the booking details. Here, user can see that you are available for 20-minute session, 40-minute session, 60-minute session. And these are the timings. User can click on choose option and can book your session, right? So this is the profile which will actually visible to user, right? Proper experience they can see here. Your proper education they can see here. Apart from it, what are the grades or classes you are teaching? Then which board, subject guidance, on which are the major subjects which you are expertise in. Then career guidance, what all things you are doing in career guidance, right? Then here you can see a proper review with proper rating, like 4.5 with one review. So proper review will be mentioned here. The session was good. That's how all the reviews will be showcased here, right? You can always go and see that. And apart from it, you can also click on the share option and you can click this profile link and can share your profile on Facebook, on WhatsApp, anywhere you want, right? So any user coming to this portal, they can click to this link and they will directly taken to this particular page, right? So they don't have to go with the whole process. They can directly do the booking from this page, right? There's something for user which you can do. Apart from it, yeah, on a home page, you click on this icon, you click on dashboard, you'll be taken to your dashboard, right? So now how to go with the session part, how to join your session. So here you can see, I'll tell you once again. So once you're logged in, you will be at your home page. You click on this icon, you click on dashboard, right? Then here you can see a session. If there's an upcoming session, that will be showcased here also in this tab. Right now there's no upcoming session, so it's blank. But otherwise, you will see this upcoming session here, right? So you can click on this session option. You can click on upcoming. You can see all the sessions here upcoming, and your past session are always there, right? So these are the sessions which I have taken in the past. So those sessions are always visible to me. And this manner, like it's on 22nd June, right? Tuesday. These are the timings. It's a 20-minute session, and user are looking for a query in personality development. Right, the proper detailed query will be mentioned here. And the participants were Himanshu, who's the user, expert is obviously me, and Grab Guidance moderator will always be there. So our moderator will always be there in that session, will be on silent and will be video will be off. We are just there to moderate a session, how things go. If there are any coordination required, so we do that coordination, right? So you can always go to any of the session. If you want to view your past session, so you can click on any of this session, then click this view the session option, and you can see your recorded session always. Right. So those sessions will always be recorded and be posted there, posted in this link. Right. Same way you will always see the upcoming session also mentioned here. Right. So you can click on that and can book a session and can join the session. Right. Then what are the reviews you have got? That will be showcased in this review. How much rating you have and what are the reviews students are giving to you, right? So this is a basic thing on your profile which you should know, that how to book a session and how to join the session also, right? So apart from it, yeah, this is something for you expert, very simple, very easy to go with. You can always see this, right? Then if you want to log out, you can click on this log out option and you can be directly taken to the home page. Right, that's how things work here. So now, this is something for expert. Now moving forward to a user sign-in. So when user sign-in, so you have to click on this user sign-in option. If it's a new user, they'll click on don't have an account, sign up, and they will create their profile. Now, if I talk about a user is already signed up, so they'll click on this and enter the number. So the OTP is right. So now I'm logged in as a user. So here user can always go to their profile. They can see what details they have uploaded, right? They can change that also. And same way user can click on dashboard. Their details will be shown here, right? Proper details, and same you can go to session review, right? So I'll start with how user can book a session first. So being a user, the most important thing is how to search an expert and how to book a session, right? So there are multiple ways, but the basic way to go with this is user can select the class. Suppose I select 12th class and I want to take guidance in maths. right? So there's a subject maths. I click here, click on select option. So these are the experts. There are overall 32 experts in maths, right? So I can book any of the expert. Suppose I want to go with Dr. Bhavya Taneja. I click on his profile, right? And here I can see his time availability. That in 40 minutes he's available these days, and these are the timings. Right. I'll check his overall experience. I'll also check that he's a faculty in Gurgaon Commerce classes, right? He has a education experience of these are the colleges where he have taken education experience. These are the classes he can teach. These are the boards which he can focus on. Subject guidance, career guidance, which I've already told in your profile, right? So I find that Dr. Bhavya Taneja profile is a good fit for me. I'll select, suppose I want to go with 60-minute session, right? So here I'll see on Sunday, 18 July, he's available at 10 a.m. So I'll click on choose. I'll update my query here, right? Whatever query I have, proper detailed description I'll update here. Right, that query I'll mention here. Then if I have to attach some document, I'll click on this and I'll attach document also. I'll update any document, right? That will be attached here. And here I can see that I am a user. Dr. Bhavya Taneja, an expert, and Grab Guidance moderator will be there. Expert can speak in two languages, Hindi and English, though we are working on multiple languages. So every expert will be shown here, and here all my booking details will be shown. That class 12 subject maths. This is the pricing for one session. If I have any coupon code, I'll enter that coupon code. Yes, I'll click on confirm and pay. Right? So I'll be taken to this payment gateway and I enter my details by Paytm and I'll proceed with it. So payment will be done. Right? This is how user will book a session. Right? So yeah, apart from it, as I selected 12 maths. Right, so we are on Bhavya Taneja profile. So once I've taken the session, right, I have booked single session, and after that I felt that Dr. Bhavya Taneja was a good expert, right? He taught very well, and I can go with some multiple session with him also. So what I can do, I have always an option to book a multiple session with him. So I'll click on this book a multiple session. I'll select my time frame. Here it's a 60-minute. So multiple, when we book a multiple session, it will always be for 60 minutes. You can't book a multiple session for 20 and 40 minutes. It will always be for 60 minutes, right? I'll select a time frame here that I am available on daily basis, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., right? So Bhavya Taneja is available on Monday and Saturday. I'll click on Monday and Saturday. My start date, I'll enter 17. End date, I can go for upcoming 2 to 3 months till 30th August. So till 30th August, on these 2 days, I have overbooked to 22 sessions. Overall 22 sessions are booked, right? I'll click on review. Same way I enter the whole query. If I want to attach a document, I'll attach document and I can confirm and pay. This is a overall costing of 22 session, which we showcase here. I'll click on confirm and pay, and my session with Bhavya Taneja will be booked, right? So I can always, being a user, I can always book the multiple session with them, with all you expert, right? So there's a option of booking a multiple session. Same way, user can also share your profile. You can click on share icon. You can copy this link and you can share on WhatsApp, Facebook, where they want. If they want to share to their friends that Dr. Bhavya Taneja is one of the best experts which I have taken a class, so they can share it with their friends, and those guys can directly come to this particular profile. They don't have to search this profile. They'll be taken directly to this particular page, right? So this is how booking happens for a user. Apart from it, I'll explain the dashboard of a user as well. So in this dashboard, as I have booked a session with Bhavya Taneja and I find that his profile is very amazing and I want to save him for the future as well. So I can always save his profile. So all those saved profile will be showcased here, right, in my save export. If I click on this hard icon, so that profile will be unsaved, right? So whenever I want to save it, I can click on this icon and those profile will be reflected here. So from next time, I will directly logging in, come to my dashboard and can directly go to these profiles, right? I don't have to do proper search again and again. I can directly come here and can book a session with them, right? So this is how a profile of how you can book a profile. You can select a profile of an expert. So same way for a user also, they can go to a session, whichever session they have booked, that will be showcased in upcoming they'll click that and they can take those sessions. In a past session, they also have the recorded session. So in upcoming session also, your session will be same way. It will be described. The query will be described like this only, right? You will see this particular description of upcoming session also. But instead of view this session, it will be showcased the join the session option. You click on join the session and you will be taken directly to a session, right? So we always suggest you that you should join 10 minutes prior the session starts, because if there's some technical issues you guys are facing, so our moderator will understand that, and he or she will guide you that how to go with that, how to solve that query and how to go with that session, right? So this is how dashboard of a user also looks like. Same way, user will also have a review, so they can go, and apart from it, they have this book now option also here on this profile. They click on it and they can take into this particular page, right? So this is a one way of booking a session for user. Another way is they can come to this box and they can see that I want to take, suppose I want to take session in marketing management. I directly click on marketing management, and here I'll see all the profiles of an expert who are expert in marketing. So I can select any profile and can go further with it, right? And I can book these. So this is another way to go the booking part. So yeah, these are the major things which are for expert and users there. Now I'll showcase how our session look like. So anytime you guys want to see that how sessions happen on this portal, you can come to our footer and you can click on Knowledge Center. So Knowledge Center, there are a lot of things. These are the sessions which we take. We have also always mentioned these session here. Apart from it, our webinars are also, we have also uploaded these webinars here, right? And also, if you guys wanna post some articles, you wanna write some blogs, so you're most welcome. We can always put your blog. You can always update your blog on our this website with proper description of your name and details, right? That will do. And you can always read these blogs as well. So these are the tutorial videos. You can always see that how to sign up as a new user, how to register as an expert, how to take session. These tutorial videos we have uploaded here, right? You can see all these videos, right? Apart from it, you can see that this is the way our session goes. So this is one session I'll showcase to you.
What is not in stock, all of that, and
right. So Tilak Raj is one of our user, and Sanchita Ghosh is one of our expert. So this session is happening on our portal only. So here you can see this is how your session will look like, right? Here you have an option of mute. Then you have option of your video switch on off. Then this is to disconnect, and this option is for screen sharing. You can click on the screen sharing, click on entire screen share option, and you can share any whatever you want to share, right? So this is how our session looks. Right, so all these things are available on this portal. Matlab, you can always check it out. It is very easy to use, very easy to go with, right? These all things are there. So I believe I have covered a lot of things, all the things I have covered. Very user-friendly portal it is. Now I'll ask each one of you if any query, any doubt you have. So your queries and doubts are most welcome. We'll have to answer that.
So myself, Prashant Chawla. So first query is actually still I am unverified expert. So when will that it become verified expert?
Okay. So Prashant, with you, Ankita, we have done the initial call with Prashant.
Yes, Mohit.
Yeah. So let me take it up, Mohit. Let me take it up this question. So guys, the basic idea, of this welcome call is, this welcome call is also a one stage, because, we want everyone to be on the same page, till the time you have attended the welcome call, you remain unverified, right? And we don't, because, this is a new portal for everyone. We want everyone to be educated, because it's a DIY kind of a portal. You have to use it yourself. And on a daily basis, you wanna get the sessions, automatic, notifications wanna come. Although right now we do have an operations team, reaching out to you, intimating you, through call also. But down the line, we want you to be completely independent enough to use this portal. So this welcome call is one of the last stage, and after that, you will see that your profiles are being verified. So till this point, that definitely you will find your profile to be unverified. I hope I answered the question, Prashant, right?
Welcome call, I think I have attended it. One of the, I think 15-20 minute session.
No, Prashant, this is the welcome call we are talking about.
This one?
Yeah. Today onwards, it will be verified.
Okay.
This is the last step of all the process of exports, right? So after today, your profile will be verified.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi Mohit, Lalit here.
Yeah. Hi Lalit, sir. How are you?
Fine. See, I just wanted to say if I wish to recommend a few other experts to grab guidance, so from my profile, can I share them this link or whatever? Because I remember you were explaining that for an expert, I mean, like you can select a link and then you can share. So, as an expert, how should I refer to a person? And do I get credits for it or anything, any procedure you have with you?
So, see, there are nothing such like credits and all, but yeah, if you want to share your profile with some of your colleagues, that how profile on a Grab Guidance platform looks like, so you can always share that. But in case if they really want to onboard, you can always share the link of our website, right? And they can always register by export signing, and our team will follow up with them. So it's a very simple process. You can share a website link. You can ask them to register first. So once they are registered, after that we can go with it.
Fine.
Yeah.
I think I'll be going for an expert enrollment today.
Sure. You can also share the details of an expert with Ankita or to me also, right? We can also get in touch with them.
Fine, and I wish to appreciate the opportunity what you have given to write the blogs and add certain things. That's really a good this thing, because I had some content I was thinking to plan it a YouTube channel or something like that. But since this platform is available, I think it would be good for me so that because this platform is already in reach of people, as well good for Grab Guidance also, so that I mean like more and more people come.
Why not? You're most welcome, sir. You can always come with the blogs and all, so we can do that, and we can also mention your details on that blog as well, right?
Right.
We'll do that for sure.
Right. Thank you. Carry on. I mean, like,
Thank you so much. I hope, Shailendra, you also have a question. So, for time availability and all, I hope that I have answered the time of explanation, that you can always alter your timings as well. Right. On daily basis, you can change it, and on daily basis, you can always state your different timings also. Right. I hope I have answered your question also.
Mohit, I guess he has left the meeting. He has another meeting lined up, right?
Okay, no issues. So yeah, any other query anyone have, we'd love to answer your queries. Because if you have any doubt, please ask those doubts.
Mohit, in any way, Grab Guidance is promoting a few experts also?
Yeah, we are doing that. So you might keep getting some links of our online GG class also, right? So that is one way which we are promoting our experts. So any expert who wanna promote their profile, who wanna promote them as well. So we have a platform of YouTube channel where we ask those experts to take a session and we promote that session properly, so that expert profile is also promoted. Plus our user get bit of knowledge about this portal, and on some different topics they also get a knowledge, right? So yeah, that is the one way we promote experts profile.
And on the top of that, Lalit, definitely, the YouTube live sessions we promote, through that way. Plus, when we have gone into the partnership with you guys, we want to promote your services at a much larger scale also. Mohit, explained about the live courses. These are our experts only, those 5 people. They have designed, say 18 sessions on a particular topic, say digital marketing or cracking the interview and all those things. So if you guys are really interested, we can put your courses as well, because it's not a recorded course. Our philosophy is very clear. We want to put a live person in front of a learner, right? So if you have designed, like you have a 20 hours of session 20 hours being, designed for a particular topic or, some course team, we can put your course also. And we do a, sort of marketing on that as well, some paid digital campaigns so that we attract students, we make batches, and that's how it's like promoting you and making, some more earnings for you also that way. So we'll be happy, blog, courses, anything that you would love to, engage with us, we'll be happy to have you for everything.
Fine. Thanks.
So there is one query from Brinda
Mhm.
in the message box that she is asking, can our sessions be recorded?
Yeah. So Brinda, we record each and every session of yours, right? We record those sessions, and those sessions will be updated on our portal also, right? So if you want to see that, you can always see that. We'll share the link of those sessions with you.
And the idea behind that was, very, very, from the expert point of view, it was very clear that, why can't I just go back and see my own performance? We really want you to have access to each and every session that you are taking on the Grab Guidance portal, so that you can go back, see, wanna improvise, wanna, look into how did you perform, etc., etc. It's possible. So every session is recorded, and you will have access to all your sessions.
Yeah.
Mohit, these recordings of these sessions, live sessions, are being given to the participants?
Users, yeah, users also have an access of these sessions. As I told you, on user the past session, they have option of view the session, right? So once they log into their profile, they can always view that past session also.
Okay, and is there any duration for which this recording is there with them, or forever they will?
No, there's no any time limitations. Anytime they can go and do the session. It is a forever on the profile.
Okay. But somewhere we need to restrict it, because the view, the 1 view or 1.5 view, we should give them. Otherwise, if these recordings are there, they can be downloaded somehow from the portal and can be shared with someone also.
No, Lalit, basically, see, when a user is accessing his profile from the dashboard of Grab Guidance, he will have access to that video only then. So
great.
Otherwise, it is not downloadable. It's not shareable, because it is his personal thing probably, and the access will be only to the two people, the user and the expert, and that's about it. And honestly, definitely it's for forever, but down the line, suppose a profile gets redundant, say user is not there with us, or after 6 months the profile gets redundant, so there we take a call that it is not there. But expert means that you will be there with us forever, and you will have access to to your older sections also throughout.
Yeah.
No, that's great. I hope you understood my point that it is forever with them. It is downloadable, that can be shared, and it's like a doctor call is being shared, and everything is being done. And
Yeah.
though it is risky, but because but at times, it's an IPR which we need to take care of it.
Absolutely.
Right.
Got your point.
Yeah. So any other doubts, any other queries? Okay, I hope everything is clear, everyone is clear about this portal, and we have answered all the queries, right? So last thing which I want to say, guys, we really want you guys to update your profile properly. There are few things which you should keep in your mind. Your profile pic should always be there, because no one books a session without your pic is uploaded, right? They see the image around. There is some psychological issues, so don't book those sessions. So update your profile picture, update your email IDs, right? Keep updating your time availabilities, right? So that is something very much important. After this welcome call, those who have not done, I really suggest you guys please update your time availability, because once a user comes to your profile and they see the proper experience you have, what are your profile, they see that, but if time availability is not mentioned there, they switch to some other profile, right? So it is very much important to mention a time availability from starting only.
One question from my side. Whenever user book a session, so we get information only on our mail ID or on WhatsApp as well? Because WhatsApp is easily available, means easily we can check every time.
Right. So you generally get a notification on all three parts, right? All three platforms. You get notification through mail, right? You get notification on your dashboard. Apart from it, you get a message from our team on your WhatsApp also, right? Even our team also call you guys, right? So at the time of booking, student upload the query, should mention a proper query then and there, right? So there is an overall 15 to 18 hours gap, right? So at that point of time only you get a proper notification, proper email from Grab Guidance. You can see that on your profile also, right? And WhatsApp and call they will always get. So these things are there, so that you should be aware that what query student have mentioned, and you can prepare on that query, right? So that's the importance of that notification part and all.
Achha, one more question based on that. Whenever user books the session, so basically he has multiple choice. He has, I think 30-40 experts are there.
Right.
So if he has the basic idea of basically expert demo lecture, expert around 5-10 minutes, based on that he might be having sufficient idea whether I should go for this expert or not.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, how he will decide? Based on reviews only he will decide. Otherwise, no option.
Right. I totally buy your point, Prashant. So this is something which we are working on it. We already have this in our mind, right? So in very soon we'll be uploading your demo videos on your profile as well. Right, we'll be working on that. We are working on that option. So we'll asking you guys to give us short demo videos of yours, or we'll cut that from particular session of yours, right? And we'll update those videos in your profile also. So any student coming to your profile, they'll see that demo session, they'll see that demo video, and they can get a gist of it, that how you teach, how you connect with the student. So yeah, that will be there.
Sure.
And just to add to Mohit's point, Prashant, it's in the testing phase. We have started working on it. On one of the profile, we have embedded the video also, because why we are pushing that we can even start with the promotion of yours, is because when there is a promotion happening on a larger scale, we share it with our already student community. Then they get to know, okay, Prashant has already come on board with this platform. And then from there only, we have an idea to, sort of take out the best 5 minutes of yours and put up on the, sort of portal. So we have already tested out with one of the profile, and we'll be rolling out soon for everyone, basically. But yeah, that's a bigger exercise. That's why, few of us who have, got the promotion done, those live sessions, we'll start with them, and slowly and gradually, I think Mohit told, like, specifically also we can take those, short videos also. We'll do that.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah, and the last thing, guys, I just want to conclude that if you guys really want to go with a YouTube session with us, right, which we do keep on promoting our expert profile also through that session. So you guys are most welcome. You get in touch with Ankita or any of us. You share the topic on which you want to conduct one session for 1 hour. So we'll plan that out, and we'll put that session on YouTube live as well, right? So we can do that also. So I really request you guys, if you want to go with that, please come forward for that also, right? So that's all from my end, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for participating, and thank you so much for asking a lot of queries also. So yeah, I hope you have a good time on Grab Guidance portal. We'll all work together and we'll grow gradually, right? Though we have started getting good amount of booking on our portal as well, and we have started getting some good amount of bookings on our packages as well, which we have launched this month. So yeah, things are going good, and slowly and steadily we'll work on this, and we'll surely get some good amount of traffic on your profile as well. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. You guys have been a great participants. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.